All right, if you're taking the SAT or ACT, make sure you can do this kind of problem. So the problem says a food truck sells salads for $6.50 each and drinks for $2 each. The food truck's revenue from selling a total of 209 salads and drinks in one day was $836.50. How many salads were sold that day? So in order to solve this problem, we're going to set up a system of equations, and we're going to let the number of salads be equal to x and the number of drinks be equal to y. All right, so they tell us that they sold a total of 209 salads and drinks in one day. So we can go ahead and write the equation x plus y is equal to 209. We can also write an equation based off the price of each item. So if the salads sell for $6.50 each, we could put 6.5x plus the drinks sell for $2 each, so that would be 2y. And then that would be equal to the $836.50 that they sold in the one day. So now the best way to solve this system of equations is to use substitution, and I'm going to do that by changing this first equation. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides, and that'll leave me with y is equal to 209 minus x. So now that we know what y is equal to, we can take this expression and just plug it in for y in the other equation. So if we do that, we'll have 6.5x plus 2 times parentheses 209 minus x is equal to 836.5. Now we can distribute this 2, and so that'll give us positive 418, and then 2 times negative x is just negative 2x, and we can bring down the rest of the equation. Now we have like terms we can combine, so 6.5x and negative 2x are going to make positive 4.5x, and then we'll bring down the rest of the equation. And so now we just have a two-step equation. So we're going to subtract 418 from both sides, and that's going to leave me with 4.5x is equal to 836.5 minus 418, which is 418.5, and then we'll divide by 4.5 on both sides. So once we do that, we'll have x is equal to 418.5 divided by 4.5, and that would give us 93. And so the number of salads that were sold that day would be 93, so the answer would be letter B.